It is great to have you back here on my Coin Lady channel. Ripple XRP and its CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, are reportedly the targets of several legislative bombs going off in this area. This all starts in July of 2023, when the CFTC commissioner expressed his bullishness on Ripple and XRP, seeing a court ruling regarding Ripple as a way to gain regulatory certainty. Furthermore, in July of 2023, the conclusion was made that XRP was not assets. It has come to light that Brad Garlinghouse was also met with by Caroline D. Pham, the commissioner in this matter, at the Ripple Labs main office in September 2022. And it's funny, because we know they've been on a lot of talks on crypto regulatory frameworks and rules, including large forum debates. Adding to this, we know that Christopher Giancarlo, also known as Giancarlo, was a strong believer in the non-security status of XRP in 2020. Plus, he recently congratulated Ripple on XRP's legal clearance in July 2023, yet here we have a former head of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission explaining why he believes XRP is not a security. Additionally, the CFTC commissioner has just stated that he hopes a rippling court ruling will lead to more clear regulations. Apparently, the CFTC is a big believer in Ripple, and by extension, XRP. Nevertheless, as of today, July 10th, we have data derived from subjective opinions. New head of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, gives testimony about digital commodity regulation. Between 70 and 80% of the market is comprised of non-securities. A lot has happened here. This chair is testifying on the oversight of digital commodities. Furthermore, it provides guidance and emphasizes the importance of crypto regulatory frameworks by bringing attention to the fact that 70 to 80% of this market is non-securities. Contrary to what the SEC thinks, this is actually harmful. For the simple reason that the SEC considers the whole market to be a security. So, tell me what's happening and who's in control. Personally, I think the CFTC will have a significant effect on this market. In my opinion, the SEC will be compelled to leave. However, what really is happening in the background? Okay, then, I guess we can examine what's going on. To start, there's some great news. Paxos has won the SEC probe into the bust stablecoin. This is the first major development in the story. The SEC informed us formally on Tuesday that it will not be recommending enforcement action against Paxos Trust Company in relation to the Binance USD inquiry, and we have received this termination notification. This is a major setback for the security side of things, and it's clear that Gary Gensler is under increasing pressure to limit regulation through enforcement. What's next? We need a new chair of the SEC government who isn't afraid to respect the rules. Even though we all know this is highly unlikely to occur, I believe everyone will agree with me that it is important. Outside of this, though, it isn't really eco-friendly. We have Katie Baber's word on why anti-crypto SEC Commissioner Caroline Crenshaw is ready to be reconfirmed with zero opposition from the Senate. In light of the recent chaos caused by the Scottish ruling on presidential immunity, it is puzzling that the DEM would back a commissioner who disregarded the DC Circuit and wrote a vehement argument on the SEC's behalf. A court comprised of judges appointed by both Republicans and Democrats ruled unanimously that the SEC's failure to offer a reasonable justification for its rejection of Grayscale Investments, Bitcoin, and the ETF app constituted an arbitrary and capricious violation of the APA. It was so clear that even Gary Gensler had to admit defeat. In this dissenting opinion, Caroline Crenshaw contorted herself to rationalize disobeying the court's clear directive, but the DC Circuit did not share her contortion. When conservatives are concerned about corrupt bureaucrats, where is the respect for the rule of law? They mean just this. Loberbright may have reduced Chevron's revenues, but honest public officials are still a need. Crenshaw might be reconfirmed this week. Why folks need to be asking some uncomfortable questions. Will her loyalty to Trump trump that of President Elizabeth Warren? Is the law involved? With a commission balance, there would be no regulatory rollbacks or crypto pivots, even with a Republican-appointed chair. So I wonder if President Biden is unaware that he nominated her again, or if this is all part of Gensler's plan to guarantee a Democratic majority on the commission in 2025 and force a newly elected President Trump to remove him. It is unacceptable for our nation to continue providing 6 more years of job security to corrupt officials who disregard judicial decisions and the wishes of the 1/5 of the American population that owns cryptocurrency. I couldn't agree with you more. Pay attention, this situation is fraught with serious issues. There was a response from Brad Garthinghouse. I made this point in the Crypto Roundtable this morning, he stated confidently. It would be great if there was actual progress, not simply words. Greetings, all. It was a positive development, according to the members of the roundtable he mentioned, Ro Khanna's Crypto Roundtable, and the immediate reaction from the participants. Anita Dunn, a senior advisor at POTA, reportedly spent an hour there. A roster of participants and further information will be forthcoming. Now we have the complete list. Here is the complete roster, and Brad Garthinghouse is clearly visible. Additionally, we have Pantera, Paxos, Coinbase, and Bitco. These are some genuinely famous people, you know. Their circle extended even to Uniswap and beyond. We were hoping this would be fruitful, but these were all major players. Word on the street was that it didn't accomplish much. I bet you can guess what we received in the end. Vote breakdown. Today's vote to overcome the president's veto was unsuccessful, SAB 121. This veto was unsuccessful because a majority of 228 out of 184 votes are required. From yes to no, we have it all. Here we have the major participants. I intended to vote today, but I changed my mind. And here we have the dissection. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I'll see you later.